everyone, this is Wei Wei and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to crochet this mini storage basket. First, we will begin with a magic ring and make single crochet 6 times into the magic ring. Join the circle with a slip stitch at the first stitch. In round 1, we are going to make an increase at each of the stitch. Increase means that 2 single crochet at each stitch. We will repeat these for 6 times and you will get 12 stitches for round 1. I put a marker on the first stitch because it is easier for me to know where I start the round. Join the circle together with a slip stitch. In round 2, we are going to make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 increase in the second stitch. Repeat this step for 6 times and finally you will get 18 stitches in round 2. Join the circle. We are going to make 2 single crochet and 1 increase in the third round. Means that the first stitch will have 1 single crochet, the second stitch will have 1 single crochet, and the third stitch will have 2 single crochet. Repeat this for 6 times and finally you will get total 24 stitches in this round. Next, we will join the circle with the slip stitch, but this time we will join at the back loop of the stitch only. In round 4, we are going to make one single crochet in each stitch, but we are going to work on the back loop only. Memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. Again, join the circle with slip stitch. Empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. Round 5 to round 11, we are going to continue single crochet in every stitch as usual. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside. At the end of round 11, join the circle to the first stitch and chain 1. Turn the basket inside out. Hide the yarn inside the basket. Cut the extra yarns. Flip over your basket. And you have completely done with your mini storage basket. Hope you enjoy this video, and please give me a thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!